Hi there all. Today we're going to look at what seems to me to be the best package opening tool that Victorinox has ever come up with. No, it's not the new tool on the Companion Wood Swiss Spirit 2023 Special Edition. It's the Pruner Blade, which was designed for garden pruning. In fact, dedicated pruner blades have been released, with the large standalone pruner blade now discontinued. They've also put this blade in the Swiss Charm XLT, which is also now said to be discontinued. But what if you want this blade in your Swiss Army knife and everyday carry? So let's face it, receiving package shipments seems very common, and having to open them all elegantly and with minimal damage to the package, box, or its contents is really great, and being able to do that in the least amount of time as possible. So this is what this blade does for you. Now, not too long ago, I was looking to retire my Huntsman, which has seen a lot of abuse over the years, and I decided to look at this, the Swiss Army 7, or the Harvester as it's known in some parts of the world. So here it is at 93 millimeters in length, 3 layers, 14 millimeters in width, and weighing at 84 grams, and in true soldier Alox rib scale style with visible brass pins and no keyring. Yes, this is the Harvester, or Swiss Army 7 as it's known, and the Alox scales are in fact the outer liners of the tool holding the implements in place. Putting that against the Tinker, we see it's the same width, although the Tinker is a two-bladed knife. Now, usually Alox scales have an area for engraving, and its main blade is very much like the Pioneer and the Farmer, and you can see it's much thicker than its 91 millimeter cousins. The reamer and oil is inline, and again in true soldier form for more utilitarian usage. Now, the shape and sharpness is very beguiling if you're used to the standard 91 millimeters oil and reamer, but this seems to work better for most users. It also comes with a saw, quite apt since it's called the Harvester. The bottle opener and cap lifter has a 90-degree stop and seems more solid as compared to its 91 millimeter cousins. You can see it's larger, thicker, chunkier, and doesn't have that keyring wallowing about if you're doing some work. That can be quite annoying sometimes. The main feature here, replacing the much less needed can opener, is the emplacement of the Pruner Blade, a cue to its Harvester name. Now, shout out to a YouTuber called John Gadget, whose channel is about everyday carry. He says he would never carry a Swiss Army knife without the scissors. Now, if the Swiss Army 7 or Harvester is the best tool to replace my aging Huntsman, surely I would need Victorinox scissors in it too. Well, don't fret, because the Swiss Army Knife Collectors 2021, as you can see, first glance, it's got a key ring, and this is known as the Harvester X. And like the Pioneer X and Farmer X, as you can see, it's added one layer and included the Victorinox scissors. Now, the Victorinox scissors, for some, is a much needed implement, and so I would say that this would be the perfect tool to replace my Huntsman. Okay, here's the bad news. Victorinox doesn't make the Harvester X as standard. This is a special edition known as the Swiss Army Knife Collector's Edition from 2021. It comes in a beautiful box. It's got the less common blue Alox rib finish, last seen, I think, in the 2011 Cadet Alox 5-color series. So this is also not a regular blue Alox. This is the 2011 Cadet Alox 5-color series, where you can see the same blue is used. So this is a less common blue. You can tell this is a Cadet from 2011 because of the attached leather pouch and no keyring. This has a keyring, the Harvester X, while the standard Harvester doesn't have a keyring. Now, of course, this is a special edition. It's a really beautiful collector's item. It's marked Swiss Army Knife Collectors 2021 on the back, and on the blade it's etched SAKC 2021. I must say that these brass pins look very posh against this shade of blue. Yes. So as you can see, they've replaced the can opener in the Harvester or Swiss Army 7 with the Pruner Blade, which in my opinion is the best package opening tool. It's the best unboxing tool. It's an elegant knife. So if you're unboxing something or even doing unboxing videos and you wanted an elegant knife for even cutting around blister packs, for even cutting around those plastic packages that are awful to get into sometimes, this makes perfect work of it. Now, of course, over and above this, I much rather they use the combo tool like the 91mm Compact or the 111mm Hunter, where the can opener can either be combined with the cap lifter tool, or in the case like here, just completely replace the can opener. This is called the Golfer. It's the predecessor to the Compact, and it has the combo tool. So I don't see why Victorinox can't put the Pruner Blade and combo tool in one tool and make life better for people like me. The Pruner Blade, because of its shape, as I mentioned, opens boxes and packages quickly and cleanly, and also has significant advantage for several woodworking tasks against the can opener tool. It has a diverse range of utility and applications that makes the can opener appear worthless. Yep. There's also another alternative to having this Pruner Blade, which is the Swiss Army 2. Now, the Swiss Army 2 is also known as the Victorinox Pioneer Pruner. Here's an example. You can see it's very thin, small, lightweight form factor with a width of just 8.8 millimeters and weighing only 47.7 grams. Aesthetically very beautiful. oozing style and simplicity. No keyring like the Swiss Army 7. Single layer and two tools. You have the standard 93 blade, and you have the highly coveted hawkbill shape. Yes, it's called hawkbill, I think. Hawkbill shaped pruning blade. Now the Swiss Army 2 is getting harder and harder to find, though, since they say it's been discontinued and no longer sits in the current catalogue. And that, my friends, is the best blade for getting into boxes and packages quickly and cleanly. Now in 2023, Victorinox releases a new implement or tool available in the Swiss Spirit Companion. For me, the Pruner Blade already works great, as it should, and I don't see the point in having a new box cutting tool. Making a purposeful box cutter to replace the can opener when this hawkbill shaped blade is more utilitarian seems to me like Victorinox wanting to keep its range alive. Now the can opener must mean a lot to them, because the Swiss Army 7 or Harvester is one of the few tools to completely displace the can opener. Now the other model that purposely displaces the can opener is the electrician. Oh, I have an example here from 1981, and you can see it's got the old cross. This hasn't come out of the box in a long time. And you can see this electrician has swapped out the can opener for an electrician's blade, which is also known as a sheep's foot blade. So if they can do that with the electrician, which is also 93 millimeters in form factor, it's the same. The last compromise you can make is to void the lifetime warranty on your Swiss Army knife and turn your can opener into a package opener and spoon cover, like what I've done here. Now I've turned this can opener into a package opener and spoon cover while retaining its ability to open cans and be used as a screwdriver. You can see I've shaped an inner micro bevel that can lacerate tape and carton boxes and further sharpen the edges around the can cutting face. And that concludes this episode on the best package opening tool ever made by Victorinox thus far, which is not their declared package opening tool. Thank you all for watching.